Once again, a big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending me this awesome casting for my preview and review. The Ford Mustang Shelby GT350R from GLOBAL64, including the Hobby 64, Volvo 850 Estate, and the Toyota Altezza will be dropping on the Tarmac Webstore tonight for Tarmac Works members and available to public on Friday. The Audi R8 and the A92 is now ready for purchase at the Tarmac Works Webstore, and also big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending me their 2021 Edition 1 booklet with a very comprehensive release on majority of their merchandise together with very stunning photography. Not forgetting the stickers, which will go along very well with my fuel can. As usual, I'll split this into 3 bite-sized videos, starting from the GLOBAL64 Ford Mustang, followed by the Volvo 850 Estate, and the third video will be the Toyota Altezza, together with the 2 already released castings. And now let's take a closer look at the GLOBAL64 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350R, which is also a new tooling from Tarmac Works. It's enclosed in the blister pack, similar to the rest of the GLOBAL64. I really love the illustration for the Ford Mustang. A GLOBAL64 collector box to store your Ford Mustang with their signature container design. This GLOBAL64 Shelby GT350R is really a winner. The paint job looks perfect. It's very nice in striking blue, in pearl finish. This casting is definitely a winner, and it will definitely sit very well with a lot of Mustang lovers and collectors. I like the distinctive racing stripe, typical of the Mustang. No suspension for the Mustang, with a metal base which makes the casting looks very solid. I'm very delighted the rubber wheel set rolls extremely well. I really like the details, especially the rear lights, and also the workmanship for this GLOBAL64 casting. Overall, I'm very excited about this Mustang. Side mirror is in elastic, which you can't tell till you feel it. It's a very good call by Tarmac Works to release this casting. This will look fantastic in your die-cast photography, or even just a casual studio shot. Hence, remember to mark your calendar to purchase this casting at the Tarmac Works Webstore, or you can check with your Tarmac Works distributors near you. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section. Stay tuned for more Tarmac Works unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!